Cute bow clips for Christmas. Let me show you how to make them. So I have taken a red rectangular size cloth and I'm going to fold it in this way. So the reason I'm making the fold is so that the cloth is thick and does not look very shaky when you wear it as a hair clip. So once I have stitched the ends of it, I will just flip it over in this way. Once you have flipped the cloth over, on the end portion of the cloth, the longer side, I am going to place a white color material cloth. Now I'll need a thin strand. I'm doing a back-to-back stitch so that I can fold it over to the other side like this. So before I fold it over, I'll just cut off the excess of the cloth and then fold it over. So in this way, what I'll have is both the side folded cloth, and then you just run a stitch in this way and that's it. One side is ready. We'll do the same on the other side as well. Stitch it like this. There you go. And then flip it to the other side with an inner fold, and then again the same stitch. So once you're done stitching this, you will have this white, red, white kind of cloth, which is already our Christmas color. Now marking the center of this cloth, not from the open side, the stitch side, we will start stitching it with folds. So here is my first stitch. I will do a small stitch, then fold the cloth, lift up the sieving portion and fold the cloth, and then place my next stitch. So I will continue doing this till I have come to the end of that material, stitching it with folds. Once I am done stitching this, ensure that you remove all the threads that are extra around the stitched cloth. Now this is one piece that I would add in the center to cover that stitching. That's it here. So I will just lock this up with the stitch, that ring portion that I added in the center. Now for your bow to open up, you will stitch the center middle together of the bow. So I've done it on one side. I'll hold the other side and the center like this, and then place a stitch on the back. And that's it. Our bow clip is ready for Christmas. Now for this, I will attach alligator clip. So to attach the alligator clip is very simple. On the back side where you have space, a little tiny hole will be there. Just push in this clip in this way, and that's it. So you can make a smaller size for smaller kids, and if they are a little big, a bigger one looks good. So hope you like this DIY Christmas clip. Do let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe for more.